Hi there. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept about 8 hours. What about you?
Not really. I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh, what movie did you watch?
Just an old comedy. It was fun.
Nice. Do you like watching movies often?
Yes, I watch one or two every week. How about you?
Me too. I like relaxing with a good movie after work.
Where do you work?
I work in a small office downtown. I'm an accountant.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's busy, but I enjoy it. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children.
That's great. You must have a lot of patience.
Sometimes, yes. Kids have a lot of energy.
I can imagine. What time do you start work?
Usually at 8 a.m. And you?
I start at 9. I take the bus to the office every day.
Is the bus fast?
Not really. It's a bit slow in the morning.
Do you live close to your office?
Yes, just about 15 minutes away. How about you?
I live near the park. It's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds nice. Do you go walking there?
Yes, sometimes in the evening. It helps me relax.
I usually go jogging in the morning before work.
Wow, that's healthy. Do you go every day?
Almost. It makes me feel fresh.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, and coffee. You?
I like fruit and a little yogurt.
That's healthy too. Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
What do you like to cook?
Mostly simple food like rice and vegetables.
Sounds good. Do you like eating out sometimes?
Yes, I go to restaurants on weekends.
Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my sister. What about you?
I live alone, but I visit my parents often.
That's nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, a small dog. She's very playful.
I love dogs. What's her name?
Her name is Bella. Do you have any pets?
No, not now. Maybe someday.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much. I love visiting new cities.
Me too. I went to Thailand last year.
Really? How was it?
It was beautiful warm weather and friendly people.
That sounds wonderful. I want to go there someday.
You should. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do. The sea makes me feel calm.
Same here. I like walking near the water.
Do you usually travel with friends or alone?
Mostly with friends. Traveling together is more fun.
True. I like sharing those memories too.
By the way, what day is today?
Today is Thursday. The week is going fast.
Yes, it really is. What are your plans for the weekend?
I might go shopping and meet a friend for lunch.
That sounds nice. I plan to rest and clean my house.
We all need a little rest sometimes.
Yes, that's true. It was nice talking to you today.
Same here. I really enjoyed our chat.
Let's talk again soon.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.